Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 8. Its title is Grandpa's Garden. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to complete reading, understanding, and comprehension of this unit. And before this, we have learned about WH question, how to analyze questions. So yesterday we practiced the same, and we are going to practice again to apply strategies to comprehend questions for tenses in a variety of following question types: factual, personal response, and interpretive. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Nahl, verse 11, He causes to grow for you thereby the crops, olives, palm trees, grapevines, and of all the fruits. Indeed, in that is a sign for a people who give thought. Yes, my dear students, but as I told you, this beautiful verse tells us about the power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Allah has blessed us with many fruits. Even they are different in their color, they are different in their taste. So this shows, this is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying this is a sign for the people who understand. So Alhamdulillah, we understand it. That's why we say Alhamdulillah for all the blessings, right? And in this lesson, in this story, we are learning about a garden. So let's continue. Before that, let's revise. Yesterday, I told you what is a factual question, what is a question of personal response, and what is a question of interpretive. So what is an interpretive question? I hope you remember. Let's recall it again, and then we'll continue our lesson. A factual question is a type of question that seeks to obtain information about a particular fact or a piece of information that can be verified or proven to be true or false. So whenever a question asks you about a name, about a date, about a place, it becomes a factual question, because if you will answer a wrong name, a wrong place, a wrong date, it becomes wrong. That's why such type of question are known as factual questions. And a personal response question is a type of question that asks for you your own thoughts or feelings about something, and there is no right or wrong answer to personal response questions. Its example is, what is your favorite book, and how are you feeling today? So whatever you feel, you express it. This type of questions are known as questions of personal response. And the third type is an interpretive question. Is a type of question that requires you to analyze or interpret information to form an answer. So beta, this is typically from the text you are reading. For example, why do you think the main character in the story was feeling sad? So this you have to answer in the light of the text. Maybe there can be certain reasons for a person to be sad. But what the typical reason which has been mentioned in the text, when you answer that, it becomes the right answer. So interpretive questions are basically logical questions in detail from the text. It's not necessary that you copy the words. It's important that you take the right information from the text, right? So yesterday we practiced few questions of all types, so we are going to practice it again. So the first question is your pre-reading question. Yesterday we read about it. Now you tell me, where did Amir find the ladybird? So first of all, it's where. It means it's a question of factual information. Did is telling us it's the second form of do, so it is simple past tense. So how you will answer? You will answer by telling the place by using simple past tense, and the keywords are Amir and its verb is find. Okay, so I have given you all the clue. Find out what was the place, pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students. So how did you answer? Amir, because it is simple past tense, find, so we have used the second form. Amir found the ladybirds. Where did this text is telling us? He collected 6 from the field. So this was the place. Amir found the ladybirds in the field. Right? So this is how we reply to the questions. Do you understand? Okay. So I'm going to start reading. All of you open your books on page number 61 from the second last paragraph, starting from here. Listen carefully because after me you will read it. Next week, Amir went to visit Grandpa and showed him his jar of 10 bugs. You've, again, a weak form of have, right? Remember? You've done well. Oh, my boy. You've done well, Grandpa said with a tear in his eyes. Grandpa was very happy. The ladybirds were very hungry. The ladybirds ate the pets and the garden blossomed. Now, how did ladybirds help the garden to blossom? First of all, find out the question type, its tense, analyze the question, and then answer this question. Pause the video, answer the question, and then come back. Yes, my dear students. From that day on, Grandpa's garden grew and grew, right? So that's it about the stories I brought. So let's, first you will read the text, the text again, and then we'll do an activity. Okay, pause the video, read the text, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with reading? Okay, so here is an activity, what we are going to do. These are the questions. Okay, yesterday we did A, B, and C part. Today we'll do D and E. Once again, beta, first of all, you will find out the tense. Do you like the story? Why? What type of question it is? Do you like? Yes, it's a personal response question. So you will answer the question in the same tense. This is how we analyze and answer the question. Likewise, you will answer this question, tell the answer orally. You should make every child, because the reason of liking this story will be different for every child. So pause the video, take the answers orally, and when they are done with it, give them time to write the answers in their notebook. So when you are done with this activity and task, kindly come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? I know you are enjoying this activity. Now it's time for your homework. Question 2 is your homework. You will make sentences of these words. And here is a worksheet. Once again, my dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice to comprehend the questions according to the text. So we have learned to apply strategies to comprehend questions for tenses in a variety of following question types: factual, personal response, interpretive. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.